How to fix Discord crashing on your phone. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So we will search just for Discord, and when you found Discord, just open it like what you want, like this, and then go to storage option and click on clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.